what would be your advice to the many and varied uh, biopharma professionals that are attending this event right now uh, regarding how they can help their CEO or how to deal with that interaction between the outsourcing arena and all that has to be done there and their CEO.
Yeah, I would say probably high level, just open dialogue. Um, I think I because I sort of grew up in the company and was the tactical person, I've been on the flip side of having a CEO who is either too involved or not involved enough. And I think as CEOs, we want to be helpful, and we're not trying to be problematic. But sometimes we, as James said it, sometimes we can't help but be a pain, and sometimes we just have to be. But I think the more that you can just be open with each other about that, with your CMC person, about this is something I think I need to be involved with, and here's why, or I'm going to get these questions from the board, so I need to hear this firsthand. I think just being honest about it, and I think at least that way, both sides may not, you may not walk away from that conversation with both sides always, 100% happy with it, but just being honest, about what's kind of driving that. And I think then also being willing to hear from your CMC person, hey, it would be helpful if you could back off here, and being critical of, is this something where I could back off and it's okay?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Very good. James, you wanna try that?
Sure. I agree with Utma's assessment. We're always trying to be helpful, and it's normally because we're going to get questions from the board and investors as well. And sometimes, CMC folks, and I happen to have a really good relationship with mine, but in the past I hadn't, because they get so bogged down in a project and trying to get, you hit this milestone or hit this part of the project plan, they might be missing the big picture. And again, that goes back to one of the earlier questions: at what level should you hire? Normally, people who are VP or higher tend to be big picture strategic partners for the CEO, and they will absolutely get why you're going down one path or another. But if you don't hire to a level high enough, and you bring in people at a senior manager or director level, they're so focused on the tactical implementation of what needs to be done, they might be missing the big picture. And our job is to make sure that we're all in sync. We tend to act like a conductor. That's my answer. I'd love to be able to inject some levity, as you asked us to do earlier on. I'm waiting for my time when I can talk about a Will Smith, Chris Rock moment, but it's not quite there with my CMC guy.